to my channel SQL with Shahid. We have completed corruption and also the database suspect mode. Today we are going to continue with new topic, automation. So what is automation? Like we will be taking a full backup, differential backup and transaction log backup, right? So will be I have shown you already by taking the backups manually. Today we are going to discuss how to schedule the jobs and time whichever we want. So today's discussion is all about automating the backup jobs. So what we have to do here, I will be creating one new database called as db1 and default owner should be SA. If I create this without giving SA, it will come on my Shahid user. Okay, so if I leave the company there will be problem. So every time whenever you create the database it should be on SA. Also it applies same thing for SQL Server agent jobs. Okay, whenever we run the job it should be on SA. So it is in stopped state. I will go and start SQL Server agent configuration manager. I had to go and SQL Server 2025 latest we have to open every time, as I told you multiple times. And here we have the agent. Right click, start on the agent. So after starting the agent, here we will go to the SQL Server Management Studio and refresh it once. After refreshing, we have here jobs. We'll be taking right click on the job and click on new job. Here we have 4 options: generals, steps, schedules, alerts, notification, targets. Here I can give the job name as backup job, full backup job, full for backup job. If you are taking for particular, you can mention the database name also. So we have db1, full backup job db1, and here in the owner name we have to give every time yes. Then in the steps we have to change, we can give the steps. Okay, here we have to edit the steps by giving that query. So now we are automating the job, right? Like backup job I am taking manually here in this query window editor. Now what we are going to do is in steps we need to give the that comments, whatever we give on that new query editor we have to give here. Here I can mention as full underscore backup job. Then here type is equal to T-SQL. So we are using our SQL, right, transaction SQL. If it is like Postgres SQL, it will be PL/SQL. Their naming convention will be like that. And we have here option called as run as. Okay, so we have the proxies also here. On behalf of any other user, we can run this job. Okay, behalf of on that login or user. Okay, so here if we go to that SSMS, here we have this proxy option. Behalf of any other user we are running on this user, that job we can do that as well. So that is the concept of proxies. And like master only we are going to write this query. Here we are writing the query has backup database name equal to path, right? Same query, same command I can give here. Backup database name db1 to disk equal to path I can give here. Path means c/backup slash anything db1 underscore full dot bak. So I have given this step. In advance you can go. Okay, after that I will be explaining that here. Now I will be creating one job step and you can give the description as anything, like this step name and all I can give anything. full backup job. Okay, so I'm taking the full backup of this db1 database. I'll be giving underscore db1. And one more thing guys, here you can parse it out whether the command is like we have error or not. We can, to check that, we can parse that. Everything is fine, then now I can click on OK. So here on we can create another step. Okay, like we have here steps. In the steps we can create multiple steps, like backup job is completed. Now second step, what I can give, to verify the backups. Okay, backup, whether the backups are valid or not. Okay, verification of the backup step name I am giving, of the db1 backup. Run has that proxy is there. No, if not there, it won't come anything. And also it will run on master only. For to verify the backups are valid or not, the command is restore verify only from disk equal to that path I have to go. See slash backup slash db1 underscore full dot bak. So I can parse this as well. If this any type syntax or semantic check is issue, we can check here. Everything is perfect. So now I can click on OK. This will be the step 2. And also we can create a step 3 has back. If the backups are successful, then send success email. Okay, so success email, I can create one step name, success email, run as same account like SA. Here anything like code. So one more thing, to send email we have to configure database mail. Okay, so we have not done it. I will be explaining this how to configure the database mail in my next class. Okay, so I'll be keeping blank here. For just here for understanding purpose, I'll be creating another step as a successful email. Okay, backup successful email. You can click OK on this. So third step also created. Now same like that I can create another step. Here backup failure email. So I have created 4 steps here in the step section. And here on the on this steps now I can go and edit. Okay, like if the backups is completed, go to next step. I can mention here itself in advanced tab here. So if you see here, go to next step on successful action. Okay, next step means this verification of the backup. Okay, restore verify only from disk equal to path. Or else we can select this also verification step. Like this also we can select. Go to next step also we can select. And on failure action, go to 4 step. Okay, if backups are failed, then send email notification for failure. That is the meaning of that. You can, and also here we have retry attempt. If backups are failed, retry once, twice, thrice, again we can give like that. We can give this parameters here. Whatever you want to give, you can change. After 5 minutes it has to try. Okay, like here we have retry interval 5 minutes we can give. If it is 3 times, after 5 minutes it has to retry again that attempts to take the backup. Okay, so that is the meaning of that. So here I can give it as 1. Okay, after failure you can retry once, and we can click OK. Then so I have in advance, go to next step. If it is failure, send this failure email, 4th step. Okay, click on OK. And verification. Okay, here on this I can edit as go to edit and advance. If backups are successful, go to next step. that is success email. Okay, this email. And if failure action, same thing like failure backup. Okay, and failure action, click OK. And here that's it. Like everything I have given in this action, if failure, send failure email. After completion of the success, both if it is success, here full backup is success, go to next step. And here also if it is failed, say failed success, send success email or failure email. Okay, so that condition, that logic we can apply here. So hope you might have understood. Like here if you go to edit, then please don't go to next step, because if successful success you go to, if you go to next step, then we will be getting one success email also, one failure email also. So we'll be leaving like that only. So this both thing is important. And in the schedules, if you come here, you can keep the schedules like weekly we'll be keeping once. Here on Sunday we'll be taking the backup. Okay, once on Sunday, every Sunday it has to run. So that condition we can give. And here recurs every 1 week. And also if you want to run in a week, Monday, like you want Wednesday, Friday, like that also you can give. Or else you can give daily, excluding Sunday also you can give. So here what I am doing, I will be taking Sunday. You can be taking on Sunday. Or else what is today's day, like Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday I'm going to perform any day based on your company strategy. This is the backup strategy what I am using. Occurs once at we can give the time. Okay, like 00. And means this means 12 a.m. Okay, and also here I have scheduled this timings, and I have to give this schedule name. Okay, job schedule name, full backup job. I can give it as that backup job for DB1. So I can click OK here. Okay, alerts and all you can configure. I will be showing you that alerts and all in my upcoming classes. Then you can click OK. Okay, so then after clicking OK, the job will be created successfully. Then what we can do, like schedule I have given to here as 12 a.m. right. What I will be doing, we have this job, full backup job. Right click and we can start it as now only by running manually. I will start this job. This first step is completed and second step also will be completed. It will throw an error. I know this because why it is throwing this error means like we have not configured email only. For to see the history, right click and click on view history here. So if you open this step now, first step is completed successfully. This verification also step also gets completed successfully if you see carefully here. And this step I have not configured any database mail, so that's the reason this job is failing, because I left the blank. As you see in that job step, right click this you can go to properties, then you can click on steps. Here I haven't given anything, I left blank here. If you click on edit, then here there is nothing. And also same thing for failure email also. So I have not modify or given command. Okay, that email name and all we had to give. So here I have given the code for verification and it has completed successfully. So I wanted to show you these things. Like I will be configuring database mail. I will be discussing about that in next class. Okay, so here if you want to implement this same backup script in next in any server, so what you can do, you can script this job as create to new query window editor, and you can take this strategy and you can apply in other servers as well. So this will be the code. If you execute this code, then we'll be having this job in other servers also. So we won't do like this, okay? We'll be not taking this backups one by one. Just for your understanding, I have explained this. So how we will be taking the job, this all databases backup means we have the script. Like if you go to Google and search full backup script, okay, you'll get it there. Full backup job script for all user databases, okay. So if you go and search, you will get it the script, okay. This is the very good this very good website, okay. You can go and check over here. So we'll be having here that code, okay. So you can copy all this code and you can paste it in this SSMS, okay. So also what I have took the backup now, that C drive backup, so you can check here through jobs I have done now in C drive backup. See, if you see here we have DBM1 backup, okay. So I have that script now, like I have went to this MS SQL tips, I have copied, now I will be pasting here that script. Here you have to change that backup path, backup you have to give, okay. That path you have to change, that set here. And also if you want to give with checksum, you can give it here also with checksum. So here I have done the checksum. You can give the condition as copy only and all. This script what it does means it will take all the database backup excluding this system database backup. We are not taking system database as backup. Okay, only user database backups will be taking. What I will be doing, I will be creating new database called as db2, db3, db4. Still more databases I am creating. Click OK. Right click a new database db3. Here you have to change SA. Click OK. db4. So we have this db1, db2, db3, db4 database. Now here what this script says means here you take this backups to this C backup path, okay. And also we have the code here, declare db cursor read underscore only for, okay. Means this cursor means it is a space in the RAM, okay, memory inside the SQL server, okay. So it will create some space in the RAM and it will take this database one by one and execute this query. So we have that cursor and also we have this select from select name from master.sysdatabases, means we are not in master model msdb tempdb. This system database exclude this system database, not in means meaning of that, okay. So I am explaining about this code, okay. You no need to worry about this, you have to just implement and execute. Before executing this, I wanted to explain you guys. And also the state equal to 0 means here database whichever it is online you have to take. If it is offline, please don't take, like that that code is. Here what I will be doing, I will be taking one database db4 online offline. Here I have took this db4 offline, so it will exclude this. That is the meaning of this. And master model msdb, it will exclude and it will not take, okay. If we not if I take this, it will include, okay. So not in means it is excluding, and it is in standby, okay. Database is not ready, read only for log shipping. Log shipping there will be read only, no. That also whichever it is standby, it has to avoid that jobs also. It has to not take the backup of that. And open cursor, here cursor is opening in the memory RAM, there is a space opening, and fetch from db cursor into name. We have here now while fetch data equal to 0, set file name equal to path, and one by one it will be taking this here name at the rate name is there, no, it will keep in the place of name db1 execute once. After completing that, it will keep same thing as db2 and it will execute. Okay, this thing it will execute, cursor will do that thing. Okay, that is the speciality of the cursor, and also it will keep db3 here. So after completion of db3, it will not take db4 because it is in offline state. As you see here, we have mentioned the condition, and we have like given this condition, and also after completion of this cursor and taking the backup of all the database whichever it is online, so at last close this cursor. Okay, and deallocate cursor. If you won't give this command, then what happens means memory will be simply wasted in the SQL server and will be having some performance issue. We have to close this cursor. Okay, so that is the problem, and whenever we run, we have to give this close db underscore cursor, deallocate db cursor. Okay, so now I'll be going to run this command in this job. So I have given this job now full data full underscore backup job. Here nobody runs like this. Okay, in real time. So we'll be having this Ola Alangran also will be having. I'll be showing you in upcoming classes. So now I'll be showing you how to take all the database and create a job. Here new job, you can click it, and you can give full user database backup. Okay, user database full backups, you can give it, and step in the step that query whatever you have now here from you have copied, you can paste it here. Click on new and paste it here. You can give the user database user backups. So I will not be giving anything here. Go to next step and all. So why? Because I already have explained you in this previous example. Now I want to keep this simple. I want to don't make complicate. So here now I will be clicking OK, and schedule you can give it whatever you want, new schedule, and you can give it as Sunday weekly once, and enable you can have to give user db job, user db backup job. Okay, you can click OK, then you can complete this. Okay, execute it. Then what is here, you can go to jobs and right click. On Sunday it will run automatically, we don't need to run manually. So what I have done, I have given the schedule as Sunday. Okay, Sunday it will run automatically. Just for the time being I will be running manually. Start the job. If I start the job, now everything has been running. Okay, if I go to that path, see backup folder, here we have this backup db1, db2, db3, which timestamp we have here. So this is the thing I wanted to explain. Hope you might have understood this. That success email, failure email, I will be discussing in next class. And also first, before going to that, I want to explain you that how to configure the database mail. So that's all for today's class, guys. Thank you for your time and patience. Bye, take care.